Okay, we're gonna open up some season 2 Shopkins. Okay, what do we think we're gonna get?
I don't know. Are you going to hand the blind bags?
I'm gonna cut them and then I'll hand them to you.
What the?
Ooh, what does this feel like? I don't think we have this one. Who is this?
I don't know.
Do we know?
Get the checklist! Get the checklist! I got the check.
I think it's ultra rare though because it's sparkly.
Chicken! The chicken!
Okay, you guys check out which ones. I'm gonna open these.
You got the... We got it, I put them over here by the...
Look at this one. Is this orange?
That's juicy orange.
Juicy orange.
Juicy orange. You pass them to us.
Okay.
You could pass the Shopkins to us.
I will once I get them open.
That keeps fun. We just got the pink.
You think it's gonna be duplicates?
No.
No?
I think it's going to be duplicates.
Okay, let's see.
Is this chili?
No, I don't know.
Here's my Shopkins. Ketchup.
No.
We don't even have this one
I think that's
yet.
a soap. Let's see what this one is.
Wait.
Okay. Hold on.
It's not here.
Alright. Soap.
Soap. Wait, turn around.
I'll have it and then we can look.
Who's this? I don't know what it is. Who is it? Oh, little chocolatey Mary Muffin.
Oh, Mary Muffin?
Yeah, I see it. How to off the garbage? It's
Okay, Mary Muffin.
It is Mary Muffin.
Okay. Look at all these.
We are opening all. Yeah,
Okay, this is the last basket. Hold
I'm
on.
gonna get the case. Those are my Shopkins.
These are yours? Okay.
God, you know we kill all Shopkins, you know.
I gotta keep them all.
There's your Shopkins. You guys are Mary.
Ooh, I don't think we've got this.
Like, is this a
Oh, it's rare.
glittery?
Is it? Oh!
The big microphone we got.
No, it's a microwave.
A microwave. Let's see who this is.
Okay.
We got the
All right, let's open the final one. What's that?
I have no idea.
I don't know what it's
Lego
gonna be.
Chloe. I don't know.
Okay. All right, let's figure out what they're called. Okay. Can I have this?
Okay. Microwave.
Okay. Here we go. Okay, the candy. The bakery.
Right. Okay.
Sweets. Okay.
We got the pink one.
Minnie Mintie.
Minnie Mintie.
Okay, Minnie Mintie, and she is ultra rare. Okay.
Okay. Mary Muffin. Bakery. Ultra rare.
Hold on, let's see. Sweet treats? Is she under sweet treats?
No, she's in the bakery.
She's in the bakery. Mary Muffin. You're right, Avery, and she is also ultra rare.
Even there's a pink one.
Very cool. Okay, and then Juicy Orange.
Juicy Orange. And the bakery.
Juicy Orange.
It's a common.
It's a common. Although she's pink. Is she liquid? Okay.
Let's check out all the white ones.
Okay, let's see. The microwave.
It's on the back. It's on the back.
Okay, microwave. Zippy microwave. She is also ultra rare.
What the? Zippy microwave.
Okay, where's the other one? Oh, that one. Okay, what is this? Is this a French fry or something?
No. No, it isn't.
What is this?
Okay. Look down. It's not.
Let's see. Is it baby swipes? What is this one? Oh, here it is. Pasta.
Hi, we're the Force Kids. If you like our videos better than Amy Jo and Disney Collector, then click on our channel and subscribe below. And I want you guys to click the like button if you like our videos better than Amy Jo's and Disney Collector. Ready, set, 1, 2, 3. Bye, YouTube!